Want to quickly get clients from your website? If your site isn't bringing in new business, you're not alone, but the solution is simpler than you think. Your website shouldn't be a digital brochure, it should be your fastest path to new clients. When you combine your site with permission-based follow-up using your software account, it becomes a 24/7 sales machine. Here's how it helps you quickly get clients. Using your website to grow your opted-in sphere of influence. Your website inside Go High Level is one of the most powerful tools you have to grow your audience. By adding a simple form to join your monthly newsletter, you make it easy for visitors to stay connected with your business. A monthly newsletter gives you the chance to stay top of mind, build trust, and consistently deliver value to your sphere of influence. It's permission-based follow-up. At its best, your audience chooses to hear from you. Every lead magnet, survey, or offer gets prospects to opt in, so your follow-up is welcomed, not ignored. What happens when the form is completed? On your website, you'll find a Join Our Monthly Newsletter form. This form is key to building a qualified audience. Every time someone fills it out, you're adding a real person who's shown interest in your business. This is how you grow a list of people who actually want to hear from you, potential clients who are already engaged. What happens when the form is completed? Once a visitor completes the newsletter form, their contact information is automatically added to your software account. This saves you time and ensures that no lead slips through the cracks. The new contact is instantly captured and stored, ready to be nurtured through automated follow-up. What does tracking contacts in the opportunity pipeline look like? Not only is the contact added to your database, but they're also placed in the opted-in monthly newsletter stage within your monthly newsletter pipeline. This makes it easy to keep track of who has opted in and where they are in your follow-up journey. You can visually see all contacts who've subscribed, helping you stay organized and focused. Using automations that keep you connected, this opportunity stage is tied to an automation workflow that sends a thank you email the moment someone joins the list. That way, your contact receives instant confirmation and appreciation from your business, creating a great first impression and reinforcing the relationship. Your system sends personalized texts, emails, and reminders automatically. Using tags help you stay organized. In the contact record, you'll see a tag that says Opted In Newsletter. This tag confirms that the person has given permission to receive regular updates. Now you have a clean, qualified, and clearly labeled list of contacts who've opted into your monthly newsletter. Getting your sphere of influence to opt in to a monthly message is critical for long-term growth. It gives you a warm audience that's already familiar with your brand. Instead of cold outreach, you're building relationships with people who've already said yes to hearing from you, and that's the first step to turning contacts into clients. Go to humanbrainbox.com, click Get Free Software Account, and we'll build your site and follow-up system, and we'll guide you to set up your website and follow-up system.